Hello guys. When designing a landing page, typically we use colors, fonts, and other elements based on the branding details. Sometimes the font used in our branding may not available in the Google Fonts library. Since ClickFunnels Classic loads Google Font by default, that's why fonts from the Google Fonts library are easily accessible. However, if the desired font is unavailable, we need to use custom CSS to include the font on the landing page. This video will show you the step-by-step process to load the custom font. Let's assume we want to use the Des Morgan font on our landing page. Here's how to do it. First, download the font file to your local computer. Now go back to the ClickFunnels. Next, navigate to the account settings by clicking on the username in the top right corner. From the left-hand menu, go to the digital assets and upload your font file. After uploading, copy the link to the font file and save it in a notepad. Alternatively, you can host the font on another platform and use the public link. Now go to the ClickFunnels page editor and go to settings, custom CSS. Now copy this small piece of CSS code and paste it inside the custom CSS. Now replace this URL with the font file link you copied earlier. Assign a font name in the CSS which you will use later to apply it to the text element. To apply the custom font to a text element, copy the data title of the text element and type this CSS code with us. And that's it. Your custom font is now loaded successfully. You can find the font face CSS code easily on ChatGPT, Google, or pause the video to copy it. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.